I welcome everyone to this session. High frequency words 8. You can see the first word, banal. It's an adjective. Here is in this picture, we can see that the characters are very bold. Banal means hackneyed, commonplace, trite, lacking originality. Let us see the explanation. So lacking in originality has to be obvious and boring. Let us see an usage. He doesn't like English poetry. He finds it very banal. So banal means lacking originality. It is being obvious and boring. Next word, belie. So in this picture we can see a character wearing a clown mask. So he is hiding his expression. Belie means contradict or give a false impression. Let us see the explanation. Of an appearance fail to give a true impression of something. Let us see in usage. His lively, alert manner belied his years. Next word, beneficent. It is an adjective. Here we can see a Santa Claus is gifting a item. Beneficent means kindly or doing good. Explanation of a person generous or doing good. Let us see usage. A beneficent landowner. Landowner is generous or he is doing good. You can relate with this picture. Beneficent means doing good. So Santa Claus is known for doing good things. Let us see the next word. Bolster. It is a verb. Here we can see the iron rails are there. So they are used for reinforcement or providing more support. So bolster means support or reinforce. Let us see an explanation. Support or strengthen. Bolster means to support or strengthen. Usage. The fall in interest rates is starting to bolster confidence. So it is increasing or reinforcing the confidence. So bolster, remember the picture, support or reinforce. Next word, bombastic. It is an adjective. Here we can see a person is speaking louder. Bombastic means pompous, using inflated language. That is high sounding but with little meaning, inflated. Let us see an usage. Because he is a bit too bombastic for me, I will not be voting for that politician again. So the politician is speaking louder but with little meaning. So bombastic, remember, using inflated language. That's the end of the session. Thank you for listening. Please share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.